Guys, if you're sick of plugging your phone in every time you get in the car just to use CarPlay or Android Auto, then you're going to love this. Today, I've got my hands on the brand new Ottocast Mini Wireless CarPlay adapter for 2025. And this upgrade, trust me, might be the smallest little car gadget you'll buy this year. So if you're considering leveling up your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto experience, then stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the Ottocast Mini 2 2025 upgrade. So what does this tiny device actually do? Well, in simple terms, it takes your wired CarPlay or Android Auto and instantly converts it into a fully wireless experience. No more tangled cables, no more messing around when you just want to drive. Just hop in the car, start the engine, and within seconds, your phone is connected. Now guys, before we get into it, Ottocast reached out to me and asked me to take a look at this cool little CarPlay and Android Auto device and give it an honest review. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So guys, let's get this out of the box and see what we've got. So guys, in the box, we've got the adapter itself. And I've got to say, it is surprisingly sleek. Now, this isn't a cheap bit of plastic, right? It's compact, yes it is, but it's got a solid metal body that feels durable but still light. Size-wise, I gotta say, this thing is small. It's small enough to tuck neatly away in your dash, measuring at just over 5 centimeters. Now, Ottocast also supplies a USB-A to USB-C adapter and a 90-degree USB-A adapter for those awkward ports. Now guys, let's talk about performance because that's what really matters when it comes to devices like this. And I've got to say, this little guy is powered by Ottocast's brand new 2025 A7S intelligent chip. And it supports Bluetooth 5.0, plus it's got dual band Wi-Fi with both 2.4 and 5.8 gigahertz bands. And what does that mean in real life? Well, it's super quick and super stable when it comes to connections. Now guys, the first connection does take about 10 to 15 seconds, but you know what? After that, it connects every time in around under 5 seconds automatically. And when it's running, the latency is so low, I mean under 50 milliseconds. So you know what? You're not going to notice any delay in your music, navigation or calls. And you can still use Siri or Google Assistant. You've got full access to your maps, messages and all your favorite apps as long as they're supported within either Android Auto or CarPlay. And it all works seamlessly with your factory touchscreen, your steering wheel controls, or even rotary knobs if your car has them. Now guys, on top of that, Ottocast has built in smart updates. So whenever there's a new iOS or Android version or they improve the system, it's going to update itself online automatically. No fiddling with firmware, no downloading software to try and get things working. It just does it right out of the box. So guys, there you have it. The Ottocast Mini Wireless CarPlay Adapter and Android Auto Adapter 2025. It's compact, fast and ridiculously easy to use. If you want wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto and your car doesn't support that, then this is a no-brainer. Small, light, and it can fit pretty much anywhere. This little powerhouse is going to transform your car journeys. And guys, at the time of this video going live, get this. This bad boy normally sells for £79.99, but right now there's a voucher on Amazon that brings that price down to just £49.99, which is an absolute bargain for the convenience that you're getting. Guys, I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you've got any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Ottocast for sending me this tiny piece of car tech to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.